Good day, good day, good day, good day. Please, let's look at this project software. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to insert a deliverable. Remember, before you can come and populate information on this software, you need to have an activity list beforehand, because what is displayed or shown on that activity list is what is going to be recorded on this project software. So the first thing as your plan, you need to have your activity list. Like I said, firstly, I'm going to show you how to add a deliverable. Remember, the system or the software don't call it a deliverable. It calls it a summary task. Write it down. So when you come here, you must always make sure that you go to task. As you can see here, I click on the task. And if you check here, we've got something called summary. Summary means deliverable. So if I click here, can you see now? It gives me a new summary task, meaning this represents a deliverable and this one represents activity, because the system calls activity a task. So I'm just going to give you an example about the deliverable that I've been using in class, which is the venue, just to show you how to do that. Can you see now? And then I just say enter. Can you see now? Immediately when I say enter, can you see this side? This shows that this is the deliverable. So if after typing or inserting, you don't see this, it means the system did not recognize this as what? As a deliverable. So you must have this side always. Okay? And thereafter, you can type your tasks. For example, here I'm going to say, for example, research research the venue, just giving just and select the top 3 venues, pay the deposit. Okay, and then I say collect the keys, and then I just say maybe clean the venue. I just clean with the activities so that I can show you. So in this way, it means you just added or inserted the deliverable, and at the same time you have inserted what? The tasks or activities. I hope that this makes sense. Okay. At the same time, you need to estimate the days. For example, for researching the venue, maybe I say 4 days. And then for selecting the top, maybe I want 3. And then I say paying a deposit, maybe I need only 1. And thereafter collecting keys, maybe I need only 5. And then for cleaning the venue, maybe we need 7. Can you see the minute I populate the dates here? You can see here we've got these bars. So this part represents what we call the Gantt chart. When we speak about the Gantt chart, we speak about this part. Can you see now? So it depends on what you have populated here. The more days you have, the longer the bar. Can you see now? But this bar must be automatically generated by what? By the system. It depends on the duration. So I hope you understand how to insert the duration. Okay. So at the same time, remember each and every duration must have start date and the finish date. So the system at the moment only recorded what? Only auto-scheduled our venue. Can you see now? So it means you don't have to manually write those dates. What you need to do, you must just come here. As you can see, all these activities have been manually scheduled. Can you see now? This pin means all this has been manually scheduled. But this one here, as you can see here, is different from the pin, from the number 1 here. This means auto schedule. So if I can click on the activities and highlight all the activities, can you see I highlight? You can see up there, it says manually scheduled. So it means I want this to be auto scheduled so that the dates can automatically be written for me here. What I need to do after I highlighted the activities, I just come here and say auto schedule, and I auto schedule, can you see automatically I've got the start date here? Can you see that? These are our start dates. You can see here. These are our start date and the finish date. So I auto schedule. You can even see this icon here has changed. It's not manually scheduled anymore. So this sign means auto schedule. As you can see here, if I click here, this is auto scheduled. Can you see now? It's not manually scheduled. So this is how to insert the deliverable known as summary task, and this is how to insert the tasks also referred to as activities. This is how to insert duration, and now you know how to do the auto schedule. Like as I said, the minute you put your duration here, you will have these bars, and this each and every bar here represents the duration. I hope it makes sense.